In this tutorial, I will show you how to design and simulate a full bridge inverter in Simulink. Okay, this is our inverters for full bridge inverter circuit. DC source, capacitor, IGBT, and okay. Firstly, I'm taking DC voltage source. Double click on the canvas and type DC voltage source, and you have to choose electrical specialized power system. Okay, click OK, and we need IGBT. Double click on canvas and we need diode. Similarly, type diode, and under specialized power system, click on this IGBT and specialized power system. Click Ctrl R, and under format with block left and right. Okay, just copy this by dragging your right clicking and dragging it, and rotate it by Ctrl R. Okay, similarly this second IGBT, and this is our fourth. Similarly for diode. And now make the circuit as it is. Sorry, we need another called series RLC branch. Type series, and you will see series RLC branch under specialized power system. Click on this and change it to C, and I'm taking like 100 microfarad. Ctrl R, connect this and make the circuit. Okay, so our circuit is complete, I think. Yeah, it's okay. Now I'm taking another RLC branch as a load. Ctrl R and set it as R. Okay, I'm connecting this. For pulse get pulse, we need pulse generator block. Type pulse generator block. Okay, and we need a logical operator block. Okay, and type logical, and you will see logical operator, and we need go to and from block to simplify the circuit, and obviously we need a power GUI block. Type power GUI, power GUI specialized power system. Okay, here I'm connecting a pulse generator block, and the same pulse will be connected here. Okay, and let's set the value like amplitude 1 period 1/60 and pulse width 50. Click OK, and we need another pulse. Sorry, and logical operator will be enough. Not, and connect it here. And I'm typing SB and connect B here. Okay, click OK, and we need a voltage measurement block. Type voltage, and you will see voltage measurement under specialized power system. Okay, stop time at 0.5, and we need a scope. And I'm running it. Sorry, we need a small resistance block in series with the DC voltage source. Take 1E-4 and connect it here. I think we can run a model. So this is our desired output. You can see here maximum output is 100 volt, as I have said, at DC voltage source is 100, and sorry. So this is the way you can model a full bridge inverter in Simulink. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Okay.